Welcome to forefrontautomation.o. In this video, we are building a basic HMI in TIA portal from scratch, and we are going to simulating it with a PLC program. For this project, we are taking a TIA version 17. It having inbuilt Wincc. First, click for creating new project. Click create new project and give name. We are giving HMI sim and click for create. First, to configure a device, go to add new device. Yeah, it's showing HMI. We need to first select the controller. We'll click controller. So we will select S7300 for this project. So click S7300. Go to CPU. We will take 315 2PN having Profinet port and a Profibus port also. Open it. Okay, we'll select this part number. This is our PLC CPU. Click add. Now your PLC was added. Now you can add your HMI. Click add new device here. Okay, click HMI. We'll take some basic panel. Go for 4-inch display. T400 basic. Yeah, actually this 4 gray levels, it don't have more color options, so we will take with the color options. Yeah, this HMI 256 color options are there, and it's a Profinet, so we will add it. Click OK to add. Yeah, now this HMI wizard is open. We are building from scratch. We don't require it. We will cancel it. Yeah, the HMI screen is open. We will minimize it and go to devices and networks. Yeah, in the network view, yeah, this is your PLC and this is your HMI. Actually, we are going to establish a Profinet connection between PLC and HMI in order it to communicate. For establish the Profinet connection, this is a green color box is a Profinet, and this orange color is a Profibus. We'll click green color box, drag, clicking left click and drag, and drop it to HMI. Now your Profinet connection was established between PLC and HMI. Now you can create a program in order to simulate the HMI. Go to program blocks and go to main OB. In this project, we will do basic DOL starter logic to simulate the HMI. So we will add NOs and NCs. First add NC and NO and coil, output coil, ceiling contact. Yeah, we'll give the name. It's for stop for start, motor, copy and paste it. Yeah, now you can define tag. Shortcut is there for defining tag easily. You can click control and select the tag whatever you want to configure, and right click, define tag. Now all of your tag is open. For this in this project we are not adding input and output model. Actually we are simulating basic HMI program, so we will add all as a memory bits, global memory bits. We'll define as global memories. Click global memory. Let's give an address. Yeah, it's M0.0 to M0.2. Click for define. Now your tags are defined, your tags are added. Now you can go for HMI screen. Actually we will minimize that, but we will open it. Go to screens, click screens and open screen. Yeah, this is our HMI screen. We will add buttons here. If you go to elements, you hover over this icon, it will show button. You can click that button, drag and drop it. Yeah, now you can give a name for that. It's for stop. Yeah, and go for properties. Yeah, for the appearance you can change to red. Stop. Go to events. For the click press event, and add function for the press event. Edit, go to edit bits, set bit while key is pressed. Actually this means if you press the button, it will set the bit. Actually we here click these three dots and go for PLC tags, and click stop tag and add it. Now stop bit is added. This means that if we press this button in HMI, it will set this stop bit to 1. When we release it, it again back to 0. Okay, now we will add start button. Click the stop and Control C and Control V. And change the name to start. Go to properties and we can change the color first. Okay, go to events, we can change this tag. Go to PLC tag and click start. And now we can add for visualizing a motor, we'll add a round object. Yeah, we added, and we will go to animation, go to appearance. Yeah, we can give the tag as motor. We can set here the range. If the bit is 0 false, then it will be red color, and if the bit is true, it will be in green color. We can define it, and we can give the flashing also. Now we are not giving. We can give the name for this object. Click and drag this text icon from basic objects. Sorry. You can change the text color as black. We can change the text size. I'll give 16. Okay. Can create as a bold. We can give background for this object. We can give as white. Yeah. This program, first we need to on the simulate PLC simulator and download the program, and we need to simulate the program first, and we need to then only we can simulate the HMI program. Click PLCs. On the simulator first. Now simulator is opened. The CPU is in stop mode now. First you will download the program and you will change to run mode. Start search. Yeah, our CPU showing. Click here and load the program. Loaded to the program was loaded. Now we can change to run mode. PLC. Now the simulator PLC was in run mode. Minimize it. Go to main program. We need to go online first. All are in green color. It means the program is fine. You can click monitoring view. Yeah, the logical continuity till start was there. Once you press the start button in HMI, the motor bit will enable. We need to go to HMI for simulating. Before simulating, we need to compile the program of HMI. Go to compile and hardware and software. Now the program was compiled. Zero warnings and zero errors are there. It's good to simulate. Then click on screen and start simulation. Okay, now our HMI is opened. Yeah, now this motor bit is false due to that here this round icon showing red, this motor bit icon. Now we will click start. Yeah, now it was changed to green because the start was once the start is pressed, the motor coil enabled. This getting logical continuity through the latching NO. Now it was green. When we press stop, it's again changed to red because this motor bit gets false. Actually, there's more options in this HMI. It's a basic program I created. The coming series, we will explore the more functionality of the HMI. Thank you.